Oh,
Oh shit!
100.
Oh shit! Man.
Hello guys, so we are back with Deku versus
Overhaul.
So
Uh,
this is our blind reaction.
Yeah, this is our blind reaction because
I have stopped watching after episode 4 of
yeah, you
season 4.
stopped watching after episode 4. I literally stopped watching MHA season 4 before this fight, literally, because somehow the show was dragging a lot, because I know the series was on some next level shit, but uh, from that point, like, there was a lot of talking, like, you know what I mean. Before the whole
Yeah.
Eddie and Overhaul part, it was a lot of talking. They were planning the shit out, like 3 episodes, and so I was like, okay, I will watch it after some time. So after before season 1, I will watch that, binge watch the whole season. That was about what I
The
thought.
show starts getting like boring a lot.
Yeah, in season 4, it is kind of, I don't want to say it, but it was kind of getting, they were dragging it
Yeah.
a lot, in my, if that makes sense. But yeah, because we all wanted to see how Airy and Overhaul, how big of a deal Overhaul is, that his mask was so fucking OP and everything. But yeah, that was kind of a oof moment, I guess. So yeah, so now we are here with the whole Deku versus Overhaul.
Oh.
We have a lot of great things about it, and the animation looks so freaking dope for this whole fight.
Yeah.
MJ has been great with these animations, and this whole fight. So
The animation is
yeah,
really good.
yeah, it is very good. So yeah, without further ado, just get right into it. I hope we didn't trigger some of you, because yeah,
The amateur friends.
yeah. So just try to get used to it. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah. Yo. So he
I
punched
haven't watched
him.
it.
Okay, right off the bat. Holy shit. Orhal getting a beating. Holy nah, man. I love the oh,
Ooh.
I love the voice actor for Overhaul.
Yeah. His voice is very
Yeah,
like
very dope and
yeah.
fucking badass, right? One of those villains. Yo, you would die from a stick. What? Yo, what is this? We haven't saw this.
Yeah.
You look so freaking badass. Someone touches me, like he is like, okay, you can't even touch me, man. Okay,
Stand like yeah.
Lemillion. Okay, that guy got obliterated, right? Tintin guy. Yep, that's all it got. Okay.
Oh.
Yo. Okay. Oh, Lemillion, man.
Yeah. I really love the Leminion.
Oh. Oh, that's a spoiler for us. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's a spoiler. Holy shit. Yo, we were not expecting it. Okay.
I really love that guy.
Yeah, the teacher was really good. 20%. Okay. This guy can't even use some of his power, like sports and rings. Holy shit. Sad life, man. They're breaking it. Yeah. That is a whole plot point for this arc. Man, justice, man. Like, yo, Hirokoshi, yo, you love your fucking America, man. What the hell? Or foreign countries. He just loved it. Yo, it's amazing. Seeing Deku like that, he is literally going through a character development, right? This guy is fucking blackmailing that little girl. Holy shit, what are you fucking saddest? What the fuck? Shut
Shut
up,
up.
man. That, oh, he will save her.
Yeah, that's a spirit.
Yeah, that's a fucking hero spirit. Right there, boys. A lot of oh shit. Yeah, Chisaki is his name, Overhaul's name. Okay.
Yeah,
Yo, yo. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps, man. This is amazing. What? The power to rewind. What?
yeah,
This is amazing. Holy shit. Oh, okay. This whole okay. I love it. This is amazing. This is what I wanted to see for this whole arc,
yeah.
basically. Early. Yo, this is amazing. This is such a wholesome moment. Holy shit. Yo, this guy is going crazy. Holy shit. No, 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 no. This guy is going crazy.
Yeah.
Hey. You already gone all. Oh, what? Or was it Overhaul? I don't.
What?
That was Midoriya. Holy sh. Yo, that was. What is this, boys? Yeah, she can make someone use some of their powers to full
Full
potential, I guess.
capacity.
Yeah. What is. What? She rewinds humans. That's what I, I don't wanna. Yeah, mind your words, man. What the hell? Yeah.
Oh,
Oh
100.
shit! Oh shit, man! Oh shit! There's a thumbnail right there. Oh shit, man! Yo, shit! I love these smashes. I love the smashes. When someone says smash is fucking my hero, it just gives you goosebumps, man. You have to love the smashes in this. Oh, animation! Holy shit!
Yeah.
You can't say
Yeah.
that this animation is not good. It's amazing right there. Holy.
Yeah.
Yo, Overhaul is getting crazy out here.
His look.
Yo, the bones guy animation. The bones guy animation. Oh shit.
Oh, what?
What a kind of power is this? Holy moly. Oh my god, this is amazing. Holy moly. He smashed it. He smashed. What is this? With oh, that eye animation. I was yeah. The memes are right there. Oh, that's what we wanted to see. That's what we wanted to see. Holy shit! That why didn't we see that? Why didn't we watch it? Man? What the fuck? I love that OST. Love that OST. Amazing OST, man. All for one OST.
Yo,
OST. Oh shit, that was amazing. So, oh my god.
why did we not watch?
Yeah, why did we stop watching? Like, you know why we did?
I really loved his look, like that
Yeah,
blue.
that whole transformation of
Yeah.
his was amazing, and also the oh my god, Midoriya's power had been growing like fucking. His quirk is more like fucking electricity at this point. Like fucking he's fucking lightning at his face, at his fucking body when he charges up. It's some fucking amazing. Because All Might's power doesn't do that, right?
Yeah.
So it's basically his power, right? And Midoriya's own power. When he charges up, his fucking body produces some kind of electricity around his body, and
It's like
and when some same case happens with the All Might, doesn't happen like that. Yeah. So he's just All Might's body swells up, right? His body will go macho man, and, but that doesn't happen with Midoriya. So yes, there's some kind of you could say transformation going around with the whole quirk thing, right? But I love the animation.
and the scene where he gives like throws punches.
Yeah,
Like,
holy shit, that
bro,
was amazing.
that scene.
He obliterated that. He destroyed that guy, man.
Yeah.
He destroyed Overhaul. He just oh my god, that fucking One Punch Man team right there.
I was gonna say that.
Yeah, some One Punch Man team right there. Holy shit, yo, they just have to put
this is going
that in the
crazy.
background just to
Like
yeah. That was
season 5 is coming.
yeah, season 5. People say that that season is gonna destroy season 4. Like, holy shit, if that does destroy season 4, I have a lot of expectations, a lot of high expectations at that. Oh my god.
We have to react to the season.
Yeah, we have to react to the season 5. We will react to the most of the season 4 that we have not watched in our YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
So, and we will react to those episodes. And I know that after Overhaul whole, you could say, whole 5, we get a lot of slice of life, like fucking musical festival in UHA, right? UHA? That's what it's called, right? School? Never mind. So, yeah. Uh, this whole 5 was amazing.
Crazy.
Crazy animation right there.
The
Bones with the
animation.
animation.
The animation, the fight scenes.
Yeah. The fluidity of the whole, and Hirokoshi, amazing stuff, man. So yeah, guys, that was a live reaction and review of Deku versus Overhaul. That was a full fight. If you want to watch more of these reactions, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys next week.